Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So I am still here in parents' house and it's another day, another morning here in Bantayan, Cebu, Philippines. And for today, I and Arnold will follow later. He's doing something in the house, but we need to work for the corn. Always on the corn. As you can see, there are big stock of corn hay there, but that corn hay, there's always corn seeds to be removed and put on the sack. So I already started. I was here a few minutes ago, and I decided to get my phone for you to know also what makes me busy here in parents' house. So it's a good timing for my vacation because I was able to help them in field work. So there's another stock there. We need to remove the corn seeds and separate the hay. And so why we do like that? So actually it's my father who cut directly. When it's my father who harvest, or Arnel, most of the time they cut the hay directly from the stem, so that there's already space for the cow. And but last time we pay some people to work to harvest, and what people do is to directly harvest the corn seeds, just like here. They directly remove the corn seeds from the corn plant while it's still standing like that. And after that, uh, my father will cut the hay later on. But so as I have said, it's my father who cut this, and he cut directly the corn stem, and then we will be the one to remove the corn seeds and put on the sack. So the there's two different way of harvesting the corn, but always manually here in our place. So of course the best way is by the machine, and faster. But as I have said earlier, it's more on manual work here in parents' house, and I think in 100% farmers here in our place, it's always done manually and like this. So maybe later, some people who are harvesting corn in my auntie's field, I think after lunch they will come here to continue also to harvest on that side, because on this side that's father's corn, and they are not it's not finished harvesting yet. Only on this side here where Arnel and father clean already, and the cows are already there. But here it's a little bit wide area, so and we really need some people to help us, because some of the corn are already very dry, and the corn seeds grow because of the heavy rain. So we need to hurry the harvesting. Yes, so now I need to hurry also to remove the corn seeds from the hay before the rain. And also there are another problem if we made a stock like this. If we don't remove the corn seeds fast, another problem aside from the rain, the termites are also very fast to make nest under the corn, under the stock. So as you can see, these are the corn seeds that I get from there. I remove from there, and I put the corn seeds in the stock so we can carry it to the corn storage. And so that's the corn hay that we separated, and this stock also here, it's already empty. And but we keep the hay for to feed the cows later on during summer, or when there's no more grass, because of the dry season. This is what happened when the very dry corn get heavy rain. So the seeds grow, and it's very bad for the farmers. So when the corn is dry enough, you need to harvest. You need to hurry to harvest all, especially that we still get heavy rain even until now, even until during the corn harvesting. So there's still rain every other day, so we really need to hurry to harvest the dry corn on the field. So Arnel is now there on the checking the cows, and later on he will help me here in removing the corn seeds from the hay. That's all for this morning. Thank you everyone, and have a nice day. Hi honey, I love you. You always take care there. I'll be home soon.